Let's see. Can everyone hear me? Can everyone hear me? Yo, hello everyone. I'm just gonna wait a little bit longer, so everyone has a chance to turn in, and then we can definitely start the live stream. And basically, just because we got the 100 likes, I asked actually about, and yeah, we got it like in 24 hours, and so just let me know if the music is a little bit too loud or something, as I can. It's always difficult for me to have an idea how if the music or the mic is good. So yes. Anyone has a question, just let me know in the comments, and just gonna wait 1 minute longer till we have 20 after 3, and then we can start. Okay. Okay, that's great. That's great to hear. So the music is not too loud. That's nice. Okay, so let's go. So we're gonna start with the live stream. I had shared this chart just yesterday, and my idea was like I wanted to see a breakdown, right? Because we were actually sitting into this resistance here, and I expected BTC to pull back actually and sweep those lows one more time, but yeah, it actually didn't happen, which in a sense is okay to me, because we will have a lot of other opportunities coming your way as BTC flips here bullish. Okay, like actually that's the reason why I actually wanted to make a video, like because now we have the time to look into some altcoins which I am interested in, and people can ask me also maybe some tickets if you have any you want me to look at. So yeah, that's actually the reason, right? So we're gonna go through some altcoins which are looking interesting to me, to basically just wait for the Monday, right? So pull back into the Monday, and then actually yeah, trying to long it, right? So like I said, this idea here is actually more because I read some Sarah Oda Dukun is actually asking me, if you get a pullback, how long do you think it will last before we break out? I think you are talking about this here, right? So I would definitely just invalidate this, okay? And where I'm looking at right now, as I had here the CME gap, where is it here? On the 4 hour, I think. And we have here a CME gap here, which actually I think also got filled, but I think over the weekend I would like to see this low sweep again, which will give us a lot of opportunities to actually long some altcoins, right? So the same. So for example, we have here ETH, and we have here an imbalance sitting around these price levels here. And if I would wait a second, so I would look like to see a pullback maybe into this, okay? So we got this range high, we got the deviation, we have clearly seen that we are actually yeah, building here some structure. So the lows got swept, the highs got swept. So I would like, depends, I think you might see something like this. So we sweep those highs one more time, and before we pull back maybe into the weekend and then go actually higher. So that's actually why I made the video. So I would target those highs here, or actually more this one here, which would be I think a great long, okay? Let's say something like this, for example, and we have this high here sitting, and to tighten a little bit up because we swept this already. So yeah, maybe something like this. It's actually a 4-hour trade, which is yeah, it's beautiful, right? So no reason to try to marry our bias here, like I really thought we would see something like this to sweep those lows, but yeah, it didn't happen. So patiently waiting for if you can get a pullback, which I think it will happen, because we pump it above the CME gap over the weekend, so most of the time we just pull back around those levels here. So I will just hide this because it's a little bit disturbing here. But yeah, so that was for ETH. We have Neo. I think I have talked about this one on my Twitter, and I shared the weekly of this coin. And what makes it so special is actually that it looks the same as FTM before it pumped big time, okay? So so the highs got reclaimed, and I think we will see the same on a lot of coins like here. So we swept, we actually tapped into the range highs, and I would like to see those levels higher, right? So because as you see here on the lower time frame, on the daily, actually we swept the highs, the lows. We have here the highs. We tried to reclaim it, fell below, again above, and then we tapped actually into this area here. Okay, so in basically it looked like a good spot. I had shared this a few days back before it even happened. I am actually looking into it if I can find it, but I think it's a good one. This one, Neo is a good one for actually a spot play if BTC just stays here. Okay. Yeah, and this was actually my chart. I was just gonna show it real quickly so people can see the chart which I'm talking about. So we were sitting at this level here, and I was waiting for this daily imbalance here to get filled, and that actually got filled, and we are trying to break above the range highs. Okay, so definitely something we need to have eye on. And actually, if you look at something like this, like everyone knows I like Golden Pockets. We actually see we tapped also the Golden Pocket, and everything looks amazing on this one here. So yeah, it's a great one. Okay, and then we have on AVAX. On AVAX we have I had shared this also a few days ago, and I was looking to see this high broke to trade above this highs here. We didn't at the first attempt. We failed actually. So as you can see, we have clearly a rejection here, came again, so swept the lows again, and now we are actually trading above it. So we have a clean market structure break, which means we aren't sitting in the bearish structure, right? So we aren't bearish anymore. So we will definitely have to look for some longs after we get a pullback. Okay. People will FOMO here in after those moves, but I would just wait for the pullback. As we have here an imbalance. We have order blocks, and I think we're definitely gonna just pull back here. Just waiting. The thing I'm actually waiting for is I want AVAX to see, for example, to do something like this. Okay, and then I know that this high is the high of the range, and then this low here is actually the low. Okay, so I know exactly where to pull my VIP levels. Like for example, if I pull it right here, and somehow let me see, I'm gonna delete this here quickly. For example, BTC, I mean AVAX still do something like this. Okay, so I have to move my for example, my Golden Pockets, my VIP levels, I have to pull it up. So then I would look around this area here. Okay, so that's actually why I always we actually always have to wait till we start pulling back, and then we have a clean VIP levels we have to look at. Okay. But yeah, I think on the weekly you can clearly see it's looking amazing. Okay, it got the highs here, the Golden Pocket, this imbalance here, and everything looking amazing. It looks good. And in general, I think a lot of altcoins looking the same. Like we can clearly see here, actually. I may just do the 1 hour. Like the same, actually, waiting for this one here also to pull back. and yeah, to see if we can catch something, right? So might just see something like this. So wait a moment, we might just see something like this. Okay, so we have to pay attention, right? So maybe you're just sweeping this and feeling this imbalance here, as we have here also an inverse FEG. So yeah, we definitely have to pay attention to that. Okay, but it's in general it's looking good, right? So as I'm always looking for the highs who took us down, so this high here took us down to these lows. If you get this high reclaimed, or we make a higher high here, which means we have the low, the higher high, and then we actually wait for the higher low, and this is where we actually long. So we long into the higher low. So yeah, that's actually how we have to look into this. Okay, so as we got the higher high, waiting for the higher low, and then we can look for longing it. Okay, but yeah, I think all the altcoins. Oh, wrong this. I think in general, we can clearly see a lot of altcoins looking good on the higher time frame, especially. So we see something like this, and now we have to wait for at least the 1 hour structure. Yeah, this I'm gonna do this. So give me a second. So what we're gonna do here is actually, or what are we waiting for is, as we got this low swept here, only thing we have actually to wait here, like the other examples, is for RNDR to trade actually above this. So like actually the same, we need a higher high to break this bearish structure, because if you go down here again, we actually have here a lower low. If you look at this, and then looking at this, we have here also a lower high. So it wouldn't be the best bet to long this into the pullback if you don't get the higher high first. Okay, that's actually why we actually wait for that structure to happen before we can long with some confirmations. Okay, that's actually the reason behind that. And yeah, in general, I think they are all looking the same. Okay, so here the same on RBR, HBAR, same, reclaimed the high. Has been sitting here for a very long time, broke out, tested this FEG here, the weekly FEG, and yeah, actually just waiting for the lower time frame. Just waiting for the lower time frame confirmation. That's the only thing you have to wait for in this case, because you see, BTC looks amazing. I have to be honest, looks amazing here. So would just wait if you can get the pullback, and looking at altcoins who did like this one didn't do that, so we didn't have. Give me a second. So we didn't hit on this one again higher high, so that is something we again have to wait for. But besides that, the weekly is looking amazing. That's the thing we actually have to look at. Okay, and yeah, I'm just going through some altcoins. Like we have here some. I'm gonna delete this one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think like 10, like around 10 coins. I'm just going through to share the pattern we are having. And actually, that's the only thing you have to do, right? So waiting, yeah, waiting for the weekly, and then waiting on the lower time if you can get any clean entries. Okay, like the same actually on 8, same here, and then yeah, this one. But yeah, this was actually my thing I had wanted actually to share, and definitely just to update my BTC chart that I was looking at, and yeah, it got actually invalidated. So yeah, so now we have to switch sides, and I hope everyone yeah just didn't short it or something before we got our clean confirmations, right? But yeah, I'm gonna go through some comments, so feel free to ask me anything. So Leandro asked me, yes, so FTM and OP. You want me to look into FTM and OP? I have FTM here, so I'm just gonna add OP here for you. So we're gonna watch in the 4 hour. What's this line? So this high took us to this. So this high took us to these lows here. And let me see seconds. So I'm gonna just pull the whip level, see if you can see something. Yeah, I might. Yeah, I might just would look for something like this actually. I'm just gonna draw very quickly, so then I have time to explain it. And I think FTM is looking great here. Okay, I have to be honest. We have this here. Oh, second. So, and then we have this R block here sitting. I'm gonna make it big. I'm gonna make it thick, and we have some clean. We have some clean highs here sitting. So why do I like this one here? Is actually because we broke this high. So we got, again, like I said, we got here higher high. We got here. The reason why I marked this is actually because we actually have this inversed. What does it mean is if you have this would work like a resistance, but as we broke above it, now we will test it as support. So this resistance here will turn into support. That's why actually I took it, draw it here. Then we have this golden pocket here, from this low, and then we have this. I might just zoom in because I am not sure. Still not sure if everyone is seeing it. So this R block here, right? So to be honest, I may just call long on FTM after seeing this here. But like I said, this area here, like I think 86, and maybe it would look good in my opinion. So yeah, it's definitely a good one. Okay, it's looking amazing. Let me see, right? Gonna wait for this one. Like, what happened here? Like, amazing. Basically just interested to see, basically just like I think a lot of you guys can see why I did here. Okay, I tried longing after sweeping this. We have here this R block, we have this imbalance here, but if the market isn't strong enough, yeah, you will get stopped here. So now as we got these lows, as we got these lows, can delete this here. As we got these lows here swept, I'm gonna watch under 1 hour. Yeah, actually, basically, OP has something to prove here. So I would wait for OP like to see this one here. And yeah, why is that? Is actually because we have, first of all, we have here some resistance. Let me see. We have here this imbalance here, and also actually this. Let me see. Like we see here, we have actually this, also the golden pocket perfectly lining with this rejection here. So what does it mean is we might, in this case, if you don't reclaim this here, so if you don't start to reclaim this high here, we might just sweep. We might just sweep the lows again. Right? So that's why we actually have to stay patient and wait till we see a higher. So in my opinion, OP is looking a little bit less promising, but we have to keep an eye on this, definitely. But yeah, that's from for OP actually. Oops. Oh, what's going on here, man? So that's was from OP, and gonna go through some comments again. What do you think about buying Dogecoin spot, brother? $1 or $2 maybe. Maybe. Let me see Dogecoin, because we actually Dogecoin. Yeah, it's looking pretty strong, to be honest, right? It's a hard one, okay? And why? Because we got this high here, and it's broke this imbalance here, and my idea after we set this high here, right? So we have this low, we have this high here. I was expecting that we might go to this level here, and especially this level. But yeah, for now, it's looking pretty strong, to be honest. So in this case I wouldn't. We can watch on the 1 hour. Okay, maybe we can find something, but and actually the thing about spots is like I wouldn't wait for the structure or for example, I actually told in the last video, like, because if you are buying spots, why would you wait that long, right? So if you are buying spot, I would just buy it. If you are confident in it, just buy a little bit, and if you go lower, just add into it, okay? But I think a lot of coins are looking more promising. I think looking a lot promising than Dogecoin. I mean, it's nothing wrong about Dogecoin, but I think we can have like in the air, like we talked about this one here on the weekly. We have AVAX, we have Harbier, we have Link, we have AV, and FTM maybe on the 1 hour. So I think there are a lot of projects didn't pump already, which, yeah, you might just have to look into it, okay? I won't like, for example, like here I would like to show this one because and weekly, okay, like for example, we are sitting on the same live stream. Or maybe let me show. Yeah, I can just maybe just not find the perfect example, but like for just watch this, okay? Watch this again. We start reclaiming, and the place where you would like to buy Dodge. I would more wait when we got this here. So it's actually yeah, it actually pumped already, yeah, 50%. So yeah, like I said, I would. There are projects who are looking spot buys who are looking maybe a little bit better. But yeah, you can stick to your. If you think it's good, then just stick to it. buy some and sell higher. As with spot is a lot easier. So let me see here. So I got also a request. Okay, so I got this one. Wait a second. And then I got the last one I gonna do is actually XFP. So that's FT. This is FTM. FTM. What can I do with this? So we got FTM. This is a little bit difficult one, okay? Because we actually swapped this here. Yeah, actually it's a hard one. Maybe something like this. But yeah, not seeing actually the thing I want. I would like to see. Because I would like this one to see here. I would like that we pumped like this. Then I would be more bullish than I'm now. Yeah, that's the only thing. What's yeah, the thing I don't like about FET for this example. And we actually wait a second. In the worst case, I would like to see those lows swept again, to see a better bounce, not like this slowly grinding up and then maybe break this. So I think there are better looking coins. That's all. Let's see what we have here. Let me see. Yeah, okay, this one looks exactly same as So we got of course the low swept, but yeah, it's slowly grinding. It's isn't making a higher high. So not really liking the last two, like the FET and the AGX, or how do you call it? And the last one we actually gonna talk about is actually XRP, and then we can wrap up, as we are actually talking. I'm talking like 40 minutes, I think, so it's been long enough. So I'm gonna watch this. So this on the daily, this low got swept, which is great. It's great. So I like it. And then we will look into 4 hour, 1 hour. Oops. Yeah, again, those last 4 coins are actually looking all the same. I have no idea. Like you all see the difference, right? So watch this. After we swept like this, like we swept this low here, we made a high. Watch this. What's this? Oh, where is the high? I don't see it. So the last, then this here also, no higher high here. There's a lower high. And here the same, this is no higher high. Looking at this, but now we have a lower high. So yeah, that's actually it. So more interested in those coins here above, and not in those last 3-4 coins. So was it actually. So I hope you all enjoyed, and hope you all may learn something. And don't forget to like, to comment, like always. And if you don't know already, we have like Woo, my partner, actually has a giveaway, a MacBook Pro giveaway, and it's easy. You can find in my pinned post on my Twitter, where I actually explained how you can take part of this. And I think it's high chance that you actually can win this, because I don't have much followers, so you will have a high chance of winning this. So don't hesitate to try and shot your shot. Okay, that's all. So that was it from me, my friends. Hope you all enjoyed it, and see you all hopefully the next time, where we can talk again, right? So have a great weekend,